पंडित नेहरू जी ने मुख्यमंत्रियों को एक चिट्ठी लिखी थी। उस चिट्ठी में उन्होंने लिखा था, नेहरू जी लिखते हैं, अगर संविधान हमारे, आगे नेहरू जी लिखते हैं, अगर संविधान हमारे रास्ते के बीच में आ जाए, ये नेहरू जी लिख रहे हैं, अगर संविधान हमारे रास्ते के बीच में आ जाए, आगे नेहरू जी कह रहे हैं, तो हर हाल में संविधान में परिवर्तन करना चाहिए। ये नेहरू जी ने मुख्यमंत्रियों को चिट्ठी लिखी।
Viewers, the debate around Nehru letters is back, and it's a reminder of the Congress party's family first mindset. A historian's recent request to Rahul Gandhi to return the 51 boxes of letters given to Sonia Gandhi in 2008 has sparked a controversy that goes beyond mere ownership of historical records. Let me tell you about the objectives of the Nehru Memorial Museum and Library that was set up in 1966. Viewers, among other things, it says to acquire, maintain and preserve the papers of Jawaharlal Nehru's family, close friends, colleagues, associates and officials who served in his administration, and the records of the organizations, associations and societies with which he was intimately concerned. This is part of the objectives. Viewers, at the heart of this issue is Congress party's tendency to treat national assets as personal property. The Nehru letters are a significant part of India's history, and the nation has a right to know what they contain. By holding on to these letters, the Gandhi family is essentially denying Indians access to their own history. This move, viewers, is a classic example of the Congress party's family-first approach, where the interests of the Gandhi family are prioritized over those of the nation. It's what is known as Parivar-first mindset. As Prime Minister Modi once said, the Congress party's idea of India begins and ends with the Gandhi family. This mindset is not only antithetical to the democratic values, but also undermines the very fabric of our nation, viewers. The BJP stance on this issue is clear. Historical records like the Nehru letters cannot be treated as private property. The BJP says they belong to the nation and the people have a right to know what they contain. The question is, by refusing to return the letters, is the Gandhi family essentially trying to hide something from the people? Sample the reactions.
पर्सनल कॉरेस्पॉन्डेंस क्या हो सकता हैगा? तो ये सारी चीज़ें राष्ट्र की धरोहर है। पंडित जी का अपना एक पत्र व्यवहार है जो इसी संस्था के अंदर 2008 तक तो यही था।
इनको अचानक नेहरू जी पर इतनी क्या रुचि आ गई भाई? और जहां तक लेने या ना लेने का सवाल है, मुझे भी जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल नेहरू मेमोरियल से आया पत्र कि शीला जी के जितने पत्र व्यवहार हैं, पत्राचार है, वो उनको रिकॉर्ड कीपिंग के लिए दिए जाएं। अब ये मेरे और मेरी बहन के ऊपर है और मेरी वाइफ के ऊपर है कि भाई उनकी कोई चीज शेयर करना चाहते कि नहीं करना चाहते, बिकॉज़ दैट्स आवर प्राइवेट प्रॉपर्टी।
2010 से इन सारी चिट्ठियों का डिजिटाइजेशन होना था। इनको स्कैन करके डिजिटल माध्यम से इनको आगे बढ़ाना था, और 2010 में डिजिटाइजेशन से पहले ही सोनिया जी ने इन चिट्ठियों को अपने पास मंगा लिया। तो स्वाभाविक है हमारे मन में यह प्रश्न उठेगा कि इन चिट्ठियों में ऐसा क्या करस्पॉन्डेंस था कि गांधी परिवार नहीं चाहती थी कि यह करस्पॉन्डेंस पब्लिक हो। उस करस्पॉन्डेंस में ऐसा क्या था कि एक इलीगल तरीके से वापस लिया गया, यह अभी हमें समझ में नहीं आ रहा है।
You heard the reactions, viewers. Let's quickly open this up. Pradeep Bhandari, national spokesperson of the Bharatiya Janata Party. Karan Verma, political analyst. Dr. Sumansi Raman, political analyst. Ravi Srivastav. Tariq Khan, national spokesperson of the Samajwadi Party. And Kishore Tiwari, spokesperson of the Shiv Sena Uddhav faction, completes the panel. Dr. Raman, good evening. I want to begin by asking you a simple question, sir. Should there be hesitation in giving back the papers that were sent to Sonia Gandhi?
First of all, I honestly thought this was some kind of a parody when I saw the topic. And then I realized that actually time in Parliament had actually been spent on issues like this. I mean, I'm amazed that until 2008, if this was some confidential document, what prevented the previous NDA one government, of Mr. Vajpayee from going through this document. They were in power for 6 years. They could have gone through it. And it is the most ridiculous argument. You say Nehru ruined India. Nehru is responsible for all the problems that India faces now. That is your position. You have been saying it day in, once in the morning, once in the evening, and almost at every parliament session, most of the time is spent on vilifying Nehru. Why do you want to let us know? I mean, it is the ultimate irony and absurdity for you to go and say that you need these letters because they are of historical interest. I mean, you spend the entire day and day after day rubbishing the man. The great legacy that he has left to this country is being rubbished by you every day. So where is the question? And if you really need the letters, why not you send the CBI in and seize them? Finished. End of story. What kind of a joke is this that we are actually debating something as ridiculous as this?
I'll tell you why this is not
If
a
the
joke,
government
Dr.
feels
Raman.
that the letters are its property, please send the police. Send the police, carry out a raid and seize the documents.
Dr. Raman.
If you feel legally you have a case, this government is not hesitant about sending ED, CBI, IT after its political opponents. So why not carry out a raid and seize these letters?
No,
why
but
are you wasting nation's time
but
by
Dr. Raman,
debating it on
as
national
someone
TV?
who's reasonable,
Send the police in.
If
Send
one has
Delhi
nothing
police.
to hide, why not present the papers? I mean, it can't be your case that only if you praise Nehru will we present the papers.
From 1970 to 2008, those letters have been there.
That's
48
okay.
years, what happened?
No. If
they
something
contain
remains to be seen,
earth-shattering
why can't they be made
information
available?
That could be of great historical significance to this country.
But why can't
What
they
were
be
you
made
doing for
available
48
now?
Years? Out
Why
of
are
which
we-
7 years the NDA was in power.
Why are we putting a bar that agar 2008 se pehle
but
nahi
you
dekha,
please answer my
the
question.
papers will not be given to you? Ravi Srivastava,
Take it.
why
See,
take it? Who's giving the papers?
please take
The
it.
historian has
And
asked
send the
Rahul
Delhi
Gandhi
police.
to respond. Rahul Gandhi
them
should
and
be
take
saying
it.
what you are saying. He should say, come to 10 Janpath and take it. Ravi Srivastava, why can't these papers be given back, sir, the 51 boxes?
Good evening, Pradesh. I fully endorse what Mr. Sumansi Raman is saying. It's actually a tamasha. Why you are interested in that? You have been abusing Pandit Nehru day in, day out for last 11 years. You said that all causes of India's misery lie in Mr. Pandit Nehru. So why you are keen on the letters? Okay, there are 74 editions of Nehruji's letters are available on record. Please read them. Please do the research. Please make your opinion. Please publish them. This is already in public domain, all recorded. Why you want these letters? Congress
Why
has
should
said
we not
this
want
is-
these letters, Ravi Srivastava?
No, but
What's
sir,
the harm
you
in
had-
asking for the letters? Pehle to ye bata dijiye. What's the harm?
First thing is, this museum was made in 1966. I have seen it in my childhood. Now 34 years and 8 years here, 42 years, they were available to everybody. They were available to the government. You could have digitized it, you could have copied it, you could have scanned
Ravi
it,
Srivastava.
whatever you wanted, you could
Ravi
have done it.
Srivastava, it's a great, no, 1 minute, sir. You know, Dr. Raman also made the same point. Now, what you're saying is good. 2008, these letters, till 2008, the letters were available. Why didn't people see it? Now, if someone were to ask you that someone, who did not go till 2008 now wants to see the letters, why is the Gandhi family not giving these letters, making them public?
Sir,
Why? Why is there so
first
much
you-
hesitation? What's in
first-
the letters?
First, you clarify to me that particular museum was known in Delhi as a Nehru Museum. You changed the name of the museum itself. You made it
No,
a
no,
Prime
no, 1
Minister's
minute.
museum.
It was named
Okay.
on. It was named on Jawaharlal Nehru. Now, what is the new
Yeah.
name, sir? Please tell our viewers.
Prime Minister
There-
Memorial, PMML.
So it's not called the Modi Museum, is it? It's not called the Modi Museum, Ravi Srivastava.
What I say is,
The museum now gives respect to all our former prime ministers. Why are
You
you
are
grudging
saying-
them that respect?
No, you are saying that 51 cartons were sent to Shrimati Sonia Gandhi's residence, right? That's the statement. Now, I don't know whether she asked for it or whether you said that no, we don't want
Ravi
it. We are going to hand it over to you.
if
How do I
Sonia
know?
Gandhi did not ask for it, I am asking you a simple question. Now that this historian wants the letters, the Nehru papers made available for public, why can't the Gandhis simply give it back?
See, that is their personal property.
How is their personal property?
It is personal. It is personal because you read the news. It is written there that the personal letters written by him to Lady Edwina, to Aruna Asaf Ali, to Babu Jagjeevan Ram, to Govind Ballabh Pant ji.
No, so
all
when
dignitaries-
1 minute, sir, 1
those-
minute. As the Prime Minister, you are saying Jawaharlal Nehru was writing personal letters to Edwina. Personal letters.
I'm saying when the letters of 74
So the
editions
Prime
are
Minister
already
has nothing
available,
else to do. He
you
was
read
writing
that.
personal letters to Edwina.
And now Pranesh, now come to hiding. BJP Upadhyaksh, Mr. Kapil Mishra is having a snooping CD with him for last 10 years. Why is he not showing it to the
Ask
public?
for it. Ask for it.
I'm
Ask
asking
for
to
it,
your
sir.
channel,
Ask for it.
Is the BJP
What
BJP 's
historical
vice
value?
president for Delhi?
What
Why should
historical
he not show
value
it
the Congress
snooping
leaders
CD?
want to 1 minute derive from that CD? Ask for it. Write a letter like this historian has written to Rahul Gandhi. You should write
have
a letter.
made-
Pradeep Bhandari,
we have
answer the
made-
question. These
we
are
have
private
made the
papers of
statement.
the family. Why do you want to intrude into their privacy?
क्योंकि इन्होंने जो देश के साथ में पाप किया है वो देश के सामने आना जरूरी है. Pranesh, Mr. Nehru was not a private individual. Mr. Nehru was the first he was selected as the first Prime Minister of India, and he wrote all these letters in his official capacity. Today, my friends in the panel have derided Mr. Nehru. Let me quote Mr. Nehru from the Congress Party's official handle on 7th February 2020. Mr. Nehru says, facts are facts and will not disappear on account of your likes and dislikes. So facts are there. These facts are in personal consumption and possession of Mrs. Sonia Gandhi, who surreptitiously, dangerously only took away highlighted letters, and these highlighted letters of 51 cartons were taken by Mrs. Sonia Gandhi. Now these letters are not individual letters belonging to Mr. Nehru, because as per the statements of purpose and the vision and the mission of of Prime Minister's Memorial, the vision of Prime Minister's Memorial is to ensure that there is a correct understanding of contemporary and modern India. How can we have that when there are certain letters where they are with Mrs. Gandhi? Now the larger point is, the Congress party's intention is very, very sinister, and I will quote it. Remember what Mrs. Indira Gandhi had done when she was the Prime Minister and she was when she lost an election. As per Neerja Chaudhary in her book, How Prime Ministers Decide, when Indira Gandhi lost the election, she took away full trucks of documents and she buried them at her personal residence at Chhatarpur. And when a gardener was asked what had happened to them, he had said कि भाई सब जला दिए गए. A family which is known for even hiding the classified documents of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, which are parts of which are now declassified, which the family had opposed. The right to know the correct history, the right to know the truth is the fundamental right of every Indian citizen. Nehru's letter does not belong to Mrs. Sonia Gandhi. This belongs to it is the custodian of the people of India, and we need to know the truth.
Tariq Khan, as alliance partner of the Congress party, sir, and you're someone who's in the past backed the Jai Samvidhan slogan, the flashing of the Constitution copy. This is not that spirit. If papers are being asked, the Gandhi family should make them public.
No, why means we have so much burning issues rather than this. Means we have to talk about Bangladeshis, Hindu as they are struggling. So we should talk about that. But however, you are talking about this issue, it's all right. We can discuss this as well. So what you'll do? What Miss BJP will do if we or Sonia Gandhi ji will give this letter? What is the meaning? Means you are behind Nehru ji to defame him. Whatever wrong is happening in India from 47 till today is because of Nehru. I'm accepting this. This is the claim of BJP. They'll make it. And After searching or on the research on those paper, they says that this was wrong in that paper, this was written wrong in that paper, and this might be done because of this intention. That's why you don't want to create
So
those
Tariq Khan, so this is an admission. So you believe there is something in these letters that can prove controversial or embarrassing for the Gandhi family. क्योंकि आप बोल रहे हैं तो this will be used to defame Nehru. ऐसा क्या है जो डिफेम कर दिया जाएगा नेहरू जी को?
अगर कुछ कंट्रोवर्शियल नहीं होगा तो हमारे पास आप जैसे और बीजेपी के प्रवक्ता जैसे प्रबुद्ध लोग हैं, दे विल मेक इट कंट्रोवर्शियल.
नहीं तो हमारे पास
एक्सपर्ट इन दोस्त.
नहीं प्रणेश, इतनी क्या घबराहट हो रही है कि नेहरू जी ने ऐसा क्या लिख दिया था एडवीना माउंटबैटन को और बाकी के लोगों को जो घबरा रही कांग्रेस पार्टी?
पर्सनल लेटर्स थे वो, पर्सनल लेटर. अगर उन्होंने एडवीना को लिखा है तो आपको कैसे दे देंगे? उसमें क्या रिसर्च करेंगे? अब करण वर्मा, you see, Dr. Raman, Ravi Srivastava, Tariq Khan so far have said that look, these are private papers, we will not share them.
So Pranesh, first of all, those who don't learn from history are doomed to repeat it, and there are a lot of skeletons, Pranesh, in the closet of the first family, if I may call them, the Nehru Gandhi family. And Nehru's letters, Pranesh, we must understand, they've given a glimpse time and again into his mindset. I'll give you 3 examples. Nehru's letter on 27th June 1963 to the CMs established that he was against the concept of reservation. In fact, he went ahead to say that we will be recruiting and having second-grade citizens. That was Nehru's letter. We got to know about his mindset through his letter. Nehru's letter to Rajendra Prasad established that he was wary of Hindu revivalism. He was against the reconstruction of Somnath temple, and he even said, I would not attend the inauguration of the Somnath temple. Nehru's letter to Rajendra Prasad again urging him not to attend Sardar Vallabhbhai's funeral shows how he wanted to undermine the legacy of the Iron Man of India. So Nehru's letters time and again have given us a glimpse into what his mindset is. What has M.O. Mathai said? M.O. Mathai was his private secretary who has written the book Reminiscences of the Nehru Age. He has said that his letters with Mountbatten, with Edwina, they influenced him, which is why he took Kashmir to the UN Assembly. He said they had a direct influence on his mindset. We must get to the root of it. We must know these letters. These letters were public knowledge till 2008. Why did Sonia Gandhi, why this hurry to take these 51 cartons just when they were about to be digitized?
And more disturbing is this argument, Karan, that till 2008 you had the time to do the research. Why didn't you do it?
It was the Congress party, Pranesh, it was the Congress party which was in government. It was the Congress party which surreptitiously took the letter. How is the Bharatiya Janata Party to be blamed here? Congress
किशोर
party.
तिवारी जी, ऐसा क्या है इन पेपर्स में कि इसको शेयर नहीं किया जा सकता?
आपके पास सब्जेक्ट पूरे खत्म हो गए जो ये डिबेट के लिए सब्जेक्ट लिया बीजेपी ने. मैं एक बात बताता हूं प्रणेश, रवि श्रीवास्तव ने बताया और मैंने खुद पढ़ा है. 30 वॉल्यूम के अंदर उनका करस्पॉन्डेंस छपा हुआ है और मैं चाहता हूं कि ये प्रेरोगेटिव गांधी फैमिली का है और डिजिटलाइज करके वो दे दे. ये मैं भी चाहूंगा क्योंकि भारत में जो कुछ अच्छा हुआ, जो कुछ बुरा हुआ आजादी के बाद, वो सब क्रेडिट नेहरू जी को जाता है. और नेहरू जी को डिस्क्रेडिट कर ह्यूमिलिएट कर उनका कैरेक्टर असैसिनेशन कर आज क्या मिलने वाला है?
नहीं तो आज क्या किशोर जी एक बात बताइए, आप बोल रहे हैं ह्यूमिलिएट करके, डिस्क्रेडिट करके, ऐसा क्या है इन लेटर्स में कि नेहरू जी की लेगेसी डिस्क्रेडिट हो जाएगी, ह्यूमिलिएट हो जाएगी?
नहीं, देखो बीजेपी इसका इशू बना रही. मैं बहुत साफ ससुरी बात करता हूं. मैं डिस्कवरी ऑफ इंडिया भी पढ़ा और उनका सब साहित्य पढ़ा. उन्होंने जयप्रकाश नारायण, लेटर्स टू दी हिंदू, इंदिरा गांधी को अहमदनगर से हुए लेटर सारे किताबों में पब्लिश किए. जितना इंपॉर्टेंट डॉक्यूमेंट है, जितना पब्लिक को होना चाहिए था,
नहीं होना चाहिए था. मतलब किशोर तिवारी जी, आपने ये भी बोला है दिस इज द प्रेरोगेटिव ऑफ द गांधी फैमिली. आई मीन वी आर इन अ डेमोक्रेसी. प्रधानमंत्री के कॉरेस्पॉन्डेंस वो किसी फैमिली का प्रेरोगेटिव कैसे हो जाएगा सर?
ऐसा है, अगर वो व्यक्तिगत पत्र लिखे और वो तुम उनके मृत्यु के बाद 2024 में सार्वजनिक करो, तो ये तुम्हारा घटियापन है।
तो
और
फिर आप
बीजेपी
फिर ये क्यों बोल रहे हैं कि ये अवेलेबल है ऑलरेडी? अगर व्यक्तिगत पत्र है और उसमें कुछ ऐसा है जो आपको लगता है एम्बैरेस कर सकता है नेहरू जी के लेगेसी को या उनके फैमिली को, तो फिर आप ये बोलिए कि नहीं दिखाना चाहते हम। फिर ऐसा क्यों बोल रहे हैं लोग? आपने सुना अभी जो लोग कह रहे हैं कि 2008 तक जो रिसर्च करना था कर लीजिए, वी आर नॉट गिविंग इट बैक।
साहब एक मिनट, प्रणेश 51 कार्टून के अंदर गए हैं, वहां रखे हुए हैं, उसके अंदर सनसनीखेज लेटर्स है। ये बीजेपी आज ही बोले ना कि क्या वो मनुस्मृति को लाना चाहती है, क्या वो संविधान को बदलना चाहती है? अरे नेहरू जी, गांधी जी, इंदिरा गांधी जी, राजीव जी, इसके बाहर तो निकलो। अरे 10 साल से सरकार
प्रधानमंत्री ने बोला तो सर किशोर जी, आपने बोला डिस्कवरी ऑफ इंडिया पढ़ी, आपने उससे पहले का भी तो इतिहास पढ़ा होगा ना। प्रधानमंत्री ने लोकसभा में क्या कहा? सरदार पटेल को पहला प्रधानमंत्री होना चाहिए था, नेहरू ने नहीं बनने दिया, खुद बन गए। तो जो जय संविधान स्पिरिट है, बोलते हैं कि देखिए ये संविधान है हमारे हाथ में, ये वो स्पिरिट कहां है? मैं तो आपसे सीधा सवाल पूछ रहा हूं।
एक प्रणय जवाब दे रहा हूं। नेहरू जी ने किस संदर्भ में पत्र लिखा था? किस संदर्भ में पत्र लिखा था? संविधान संशोधन यह समय के साथ होते रहता है, जब जैसी आवश्यकता रहता है। नेहरू जी बहुत प्रैक्टिकल आदमी थे। नेहरू जी कभी ईगो रखते नहीं थे, तानाशाह नहीं थे। और जो कुछ भी देश में हुआ है, नेहरू गांधी परिवार ने किया है। ये तो अडानी
नहीं, तानाशाह कौन थी? इंदिरा गांधी तानाशाह थी किशोर तिवारी जी?
वाह वाह वाह।
नहीं, इंदिरा जी ने जो गलतियां की थी उसके लिए देश को माफी मांगी। मोदी जी तो एक बार भी माफी नहीं मांगते।
अच्छा,
मोदी जी तो अडानी जी के भक्त बन गए बैठे। क्या चल रहा है देश में?
क्या चल रहा है? प्रदीप भंडारी रेस्पॉन्ड करन, आई एम कमिंग टू यू नेक्स्ट।
मुझे ऐसा लगा कि किशोर तिवारी कांग्रेस के प्रवक्ता है, क्योंकि उनके मुंह से जितनी बार नेहरू गांधी परिवार की भक्ति निकली, एक बार वीर सावरकर जी का महिमा मंडन नहीं हुआ, वीर सावरकर जी के नहीं बोले। मुझे लग रहा है ये कांग्रेस पार्टी में जाके शामिल हो जाएंगे जो लोग वीर सावरकर जी को अपमानित कर चुके हैं। इन्होंने बोला नेहरू जी जो ही बहुत बड़े डेमोक्रेट थे, इसीलिए जाके केरला में 1959 के अंदर पहली कम्युनिस्ट सरकार को गिरा दिया था। नेहरू जी बड़े डेमोक्रेट थे, इसीलिए संविधान सभा के अंदर उन्होंने चेयरमैन ऑफ ड्राफ्टिंग कमेटी के लिए बाबा साहेब भीमराव अंबेडकर का समर्थन नहीं किया था, परंतु एक ब्रिटिशर आइवर जेनिंग्स का समर्थन किया था। नेहरू जी इतने बड़े डेमोक्रेट थे कि इस देश की आजादी में फ्री स्पीच पे पहला अमेंडमेंट लाके रिस्ट्रिक्शन लाने वाले व्यक्ति जवाहरलाल नेहरू थे।
वो भी प्रोविजनल कैबिनेट थी।
एब्सोल्युटली
प्रोविजनल कैबिनेट में चेंज कर दिया। बताइए, फर्स्ट अमेंडमेंट ले आए थे। करण?
नहीं, मैं किशोर जी को जरा बता दूं, इन्होंने दो बातें करी। एक संविधान की बात करी, प्रदीप जी ने बिल्कुल ठीक कहा, फर्स्ट अमेंडमेंट नेहरू जी लाए, फ्री स्पीच को रोका नेहरू ने। केटी शाह को उन्होंने लेटर लिखा, किशोर जी को मैं जान लूं लेटर्स की इंपॉर्टेंस क्या होती है। वेर ही सेड सेक्युलरिज्म शुड नॉट बी अ पार्ट ऑफ आवर कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन, सेक्युलरिज्म इज अ वेस्टर्न कॉन्सेप्ट। और इन्होंने डिस्कवरी ऑफ इंडिया पढ़ी है, तो मैं इनसे पूछना चाहूंगा, डिस्कवरी ऑफ इंडिया में लिखा है कि महमूद गजनी एक आर्ट लवर थे। वही महमूद गजनी जिसने सोमनाथ में जाके ज्योतिर्लिंग तोड़ा, उसको वो आर्ट लवर बुलाते थे। बाबर को वो एक ऐसे ही वॉन्डरर बुलाते थे। जो बाबर खुद कहता है मैं गाजी हूं, मैंने इन्फिडेल्स को स्लॉटर किया, उसको वो वॉन्डरर बोलते थे। तो किशोर तिवारी जी, क्या झूठ बोलना चाहिए इतिहास में? इतिहास इज ऑल अबाउट ट्रूथ एंड रिकंसिलिएशन। वी नीड टू नो द ट्रूथ, दिस इज आवर फंडामेंटल राइट टू नो द ट्रूथ। यू कांट एयर ब्रश हिस्ट्री।
डॉक्टर अमन?
Look, I think I've already said it multiple times earlier on the show, and I think the simplest way of doing this is to actually send the Delhi police, carry out a raid and seize the documents.
If you feel you are legally entitled to have personal residence,
then there can be
no,
nothing
Pranesh, can on your show he give an assurance that when
Please,
there is a raid on
please carry
Sonia
it out.
Gandhi's residence, Mr. Raman will not cry political vendetta? Are you sure, Mr. Raman? Can you give this in writing?
Please, no. These letters which have been in public domain for 48 or 50 years are the most important letters in the history of
No, they were
this
not in
country.
public domain. The
And
issue is
therefore
they were
they
not
need
in
to be
public
retrieved,
domain.
don't they?
Mr.
So I think
Mrs.
that you
Gandhi,
should.
Mrs.
I
Gandhi
think
never let
I
this come in
think-
public domain.
No. Why not you send the police? You've got
But Dr.
First
Raman,
of all,
let's not
these
trivialize
now
this,
by
please.
the
Dr.
same
Raman,
token,
why
letters
you
of
think
all prime ministers
sending
must be
police?
brought,
No, 1 minute,
must be
Dr.
brought
Raman,
and
please.
made available.
Dr.
All
Raman,
the prime ministers of
Dr.
this country
Raman,
in the
now
past,
come on, sir, please.
their letters
Let's
must
not
all be
trivialize
brought
this.
in and made available.
Why should it come to that?
Yes, of
Why
course.
should it come
How
to
can you say
sending the
only
police?
only
If
Nehru's
you are so
letter should be
sure,
there?
sir, if you are so sure that there is
because
nothing
it is
to
now
be
the
hidden,
Prime Minister's
just present the
museum and
papers.
library.
What's in those
It is
51
not
boxes?
Nehru
Present the
Memorial.
papers. It's as simple as
Pradesh,
that.
It is not Nehru Memorial. It is Prime Minister's museum and library.
Yeah.
All Prime Minister's letters must be brought.
Yeah,
They are all
so
of
you
equal
make that
historical
demand.
significance.
You submit
How
the
can you
papers and say
only
that
Nehru's letters are more
these
important?
letters of
Other
this Prime Minister
ministers
is
are not
missing.
important. How can you say that?
Which other
No.
letters are missing? Which other letters
All
are missing?
Prime
You tell me, I'm
Ministers
asking
we
you.
must bring.
I don't know.
Please
I'm
bring.
asking you. Which other letters of which Prime Minister is missing?
Not a question of missing. Bring them in. Bring them in.
Make
No,
that
ask,
demand.
send letters
Let
to
Rahul
all
Gandhi
the
make that
children
demand.
of-
Let Priyanka
grandchildren
Gandhi
of
Vadra make that
Prime
demand.
Ministers. Ask
Before
them to
that,
submit
the
letters.
historian who's written a
Ask them to
letter
bring the
deserves
letters
an
that
answer
their
from
parents,
Rahul
their
Gandhi.
grandfather, all that their grandparents wrote. Ask them to submit the letter to
Now,
the
come on,
museum,
Dr.
because
Raman.
that is also
Dr.
to be of
Raman, you are not
historical
trivializing this, sir.
How
Dr.
do
Raman, you know,
what
people
letters
can see
Mr.
through. You are
Vajpayee
trivializing
wrote,
this.
or Mr. VP
Ravi
Singh wrote,
Srivastava.
or, Mr. Kunal wrote.
Excuse me.
Bring
Ravi
it, I am not
Srivastava.
trivializing.
Okay, Dr. Raman, I tried, getting an answer to that. But Ravi Srivastava,
question,
you tell me,
my question.
this historian who's written to Rahul Gandhi, do you think Rahul Gandhi can reply what Dr. Raman is saying? That look, send the police, take your letters. Can that be a response of a parliamentarian?
What I am saying is that what this historian was doing for last 16 years, why did he wake up today? Why has woken up today that he wants the letters?
Ravi
Why he
Srivastava, is
was
there a
sleeping
cutoff
all
date?
through?
Is
I
there
tell
a
you,
sir,
this
1
has
minute,
got
you know,
only-
sir, 1 minute,
this
1 minute.
has-
Is there
Pradesh,
is
this
there
has
a
got
cutoff
only-
date? Is this like the Places of Worship
No,
Act? You will
no.
place a bar.
This
Is
is-
there a
this is
cutoff
an-
date?
this
What
is
is
an
this
agenda.
logic? Why was the
This is an
historian
agenda.
sleeping?
Sir, this is an agenda. You are trying to create
If
a
the-
narrative.
But Ravi
This is
Srivastava,
exactly
if there is
like
an
that.
agenda,
You know,
throw the
you are
papers,
trying-
present the
you are
papers, tell
trying
them,
to-
look, here are the papers, do what you want to do.
You are trying to
Bust the
search
agenda.
out, find out,
Expose the
dig
plot.
out a temple under every mosque. This is a part of that actually.
You are confusing
This is a part
issues.
of
Now,
that
if I ask you
nonsense.
one question on Sambhal,
This is a part
now
of
you
that
will leave the
nonsense.
debate.
Trying
You are
to
trivializing
dig
this.
out
You are
a
trivializing this.
temple
Ravi
out of
Srivastava,
every
I am asking you a
mosque.
simple question. So 1 minute. People who are watching you are watching this can, see through this design. This is classic whataboutery. I am asking you, you are saying what was the historian doing till 2008? It's okay, he missed it. Now he wants to. Is there a bar? Will you now put a cutoff date?
He'll get a response. He'll get a response.
Why can't he get the papers? Then why
So
are
why
you
should
saying
he?
that these
Who is
papers are
he?
Gandhi family property?
Why should he get it? I'm asking one question.
This is not about him. It's about the people of the country because it is about.
Well, let the-
This
let
is
the
about
people
a
of
former
country
prime
make a
minister.
demand. Let the people of the country make a demand.
You tell me, was Jawaharlal Nehru? 1 minute, sir. 1 minute.
Have they made a
1
demand?
minute.
Even I am saying,
1 minute.
has the
1
BJP
minute. 1
made a
minute.
demand for this?
If you were to,
Have you
if you,
asked-
1
asked
minute,
the
Ravi
BJP
Srivastava,
man
सुन
here?
लीजिए, ऐसे मत कीजिए, सुन लीजिए, listen to the question, have some patience. If you were to describe Jawaharlal Nehru, how would you describe him?
He was a
Relative of,
great
1 minute,
man.
1 minute. Relative of Sonia Gandhi, Rahul Gandhi, Priyanka Gandhi, or as a first prime minister? You tell me.
He made India prosperous.
There you go.
He pulled out.
Then
he
what's
pulled
there to
out
hide?
India
If he
out
made
of
India
misery.
prosperous, present the letters and tell the BJP that look,
Arey, why?
there you
I
go.
said the letters are already there. 74 editions are there.
If the
Read them.
letters are there, give them the original.
No. See,
What's in the
Pradesh,
51 boxes? That's the question.
this is-
Tariq Khan,
let-
is there,
let-
1 minute, Ravi Srivastava, Tariq Khan, is that an unfair demand, sir? कि जो आपने 51 बॉक्सेस लिए थे वो वापस कर दीजिए क्योंकि
You want to disclose-
जनता को हक है जानने का कि उन चिट्ठी में क्या है.
Give me 30 seconds. You want to disclose or you want to have means the public should have access to the letters what he has been saying to the nation. Very good. I'm agreed. From 51 first election till 64 he was the prime minister till he died. He used to write to the chief minister on 1st of every month and 15th of every month. That means hundreds and thousands of letters to each and every chief minister, and it's there in the museum. Disclose it. Will know that what all he is written to the chief minister. You cannot do this picking, that you just pick something that this is what he has said.
Why? Why can't the people pick? If you have to research something, will you pick या आप शुरू से लेके last तक सब पढ़ेंगे?
Do you agree or not that he used to write to the chief minister on every 1st and 15th, every month, and almost 15 years from the first election, he was the prime minister.
So how does that help the cause?
Help the cause that what he has said to the chief minister, all the things should be in public.
This is not just about chief ministers. There are letters to Einstein. There is a letter. No, there are letters, correspondence. 1 minute, sir. There's a There are letters between Nehru and Edwina Mountbatten. There are 1 minute. There are letters to Jayaprakash Narayan. What's there to hide? I'm asking you. आपको नहीं पता करना कि नेहरू जी ने क्या लिखा था जयप्रकाश नारायण को?
Everything are there. Everything. What should he have written? Means what you are saying is he shouldn't be writing something which is.
I'm not saying that. I'm saying what's in the 51 boxes that the Congress does not want to disclose. That's the simple question.
I am not an astrologer. What's there inside?
Astrologer की बात नहीं है, आप alliance partner तो हैं.
As an alliance partner, I am just saying that if anything would be in there, that would never be. There is something which is not in favor of our nation, because Nehru ji used to do most of the.
चलिए वो मान रहे हैं कि ऐसा उसमें कुछ लेटर्स है प्रदीप जो बहुत ही it will not put Nehru in good light.
Pranesh, the argument is simple. This constitution, which neither the Samajwadi Party, neither Suman C. Raman, neither the Congress Party has read, the Article 19 of this constitution gives me the fundamental right as the citizen of India, which gives you the right, gives the historian the right to know the truth. Now my question is the Gandhi family above the Constitution of India? And remember, this is an article of the Indian Express which I want to show your viewers. This is Mr. Ramchandra Guha on July 17, 2009, who was member of the Nehru Memorial, had criticized Nehru Memorial to be dominated by a certain faction of the leftist academicians from JNU. And he had said that the entire information should be revealed. This public criticism by Ramchandra Guha is exactly a year after Sonia Gandhi took away 51 boxes. So my question is, how does Sonia Gandhi morally, ethically, legally can take those boxes? It infringes on my fundamental right, and this country, which is governed by rule of law, will need to know what Mr. Nehru had written as the Prime Minister to Edwina Mountbatten, Aruna Asif Ali and other individuals. This is as simple as it gets. क्या ऐसा तो नहीं Nehru ji को जो भगवान बनाते थे और देश की जनता के सामने दूध का दूध और पानी का पानी हो गया, उनकी और फॉरेन पॉलिसी का सच्चाई सामने आएगी, उनकी और नेशनल पॉलिसी की सच्चाई सामने आएगी.
How would you describe this hesitation?
So, Pranesh, this has always been an attempt by Nehru to suppress the true history, by the Gandhi family to suppress the true history. They ousted R.C. Majumdar, the person who was supposed to write the history of independent India. They ousted Dharampal. They put him in jail the moment he was critical. They got rid of M.O. Mathai, the moment he wrote Reminiscences of the Nehru Age. They want to suppress history, whitewash their legacy, and present to the people a very different side of what they really are. But in today's day and age, the skeletons are bound to come out, and they will come out. People will get to know their true history.
Okay. I thank some of you for joining us on debate number 1. Viewers, let's quickly shift our attention to the other story we are trying